Hello, Kurumjuri, and welcome to Sktv'S News. You are watching Afternoon English News with me, Sktv'S. Now, as usual, giving you the headlines first. Police arrest two involved in suspicious death of Chauba from Wangoi Kaidem Laikai, whose body was found in December 27. And Jibam's Yenkom Janish clinches gold at Mr. and Mrs. Northeast 2025 in Assam, emerges overall champion and brings laurels to Manipur. Now the news in detail. Manipur police have so far arrested 4 suspects in the killing of Chanambam Ningol Kaidem Ombi Chaupo on December 27. According to Manipur police, the arrested persons are the husband of the deceased woman, Kaidem Nareshwar Singh, aged 29, and mother-in-law Kaidem Ombi Indira, aged 47, Moyangthem Dhanajit, aged 28 of Langathel Laikom Bazaar, but presently residing at Longpo Kaithal Manbi Awang Leika, and SH Kananbala, alias Dhaneshwari of Yeripo Wangkem, aged 41. Notably, Wangoi police produced Kaidem Nareshwar Singh and Kaidem Ombi Indira before the Court of Duty Magistrate Imphal West District and remanded 9 days into police custody yesterday. Yenkom Janish of Jiribam as clinch goal and overall champion in Mr. and Mrs. Northeast 2025 held at Scott's Hut Field in Assam's Kasar yesterday. The event was organized by World Fitness Federation, WFF International, WFF India in association with Netaji Sporting Multi-Gym and Yuva Shakti NGO. Bodybuilders from 7 northeastern states competed in denim jeans model, Bermuda beach model, junior bodybuilding, women glamour, women sports model, classic bodybuilding, master bodybuilding, and open man bodybuilding. Yenkom Janish bagged gold medal in tall category of Bermuda beach model, men's physique, and brought laurel for Manipur, while Kwarakpam Ananta Singh bagged silver in open man bodybuilding 55 kg category. Marapai members of Kurai Thangjam Laikai, Thodam Laikai, and Kurai Chingambam Laikai, along with the Youth Social Club Information Center, today blocked the Ayangpali Road, protesting against the bad condition of the crucial road. Protesters blocked the road from Kurai Lamlong Kaital to DDK Imphal crossing. Speaking on the sideline, a protester maintained that the authorities have ignored the road for a long time and it has become accident-prone for commuters. While maintaining that authorities have not given any positive responses to their complaints, protesters warned to continue the roadblock until their demand is addressed.
Lambisida ibe accident kimatik awaba kaya nangiba tharkasina thabini haga khoi ngasibo khoi tharakadra haibagi khoi sumai toroga ngasibo leirakpani adubu akhoi da moithem toro lambisigi ayamba khoi jenims line maru oibada ka oibanina hana balakwa angang amasu leigidre lambisida adubu thagi lambi tawba mulakpadagi akhoi area sida aduki matik kudung zadaba ma oibadagi ngasi akhoi na changjaliba akhoi praja myamna jaliba khungjang ngasi lambisi ek thadribo akhoi khungjangji suan hanjaroi.
Security forces arrested 8 cadres of prescribed Pripak PRO in multiple operations that were conducted yesterday. In one of the operations, security forces arrested 6 cadres of Pripak Pro from different locations under Nongpok Sekmai police station. The arrested persons are self-styled captain of the group, Moyangthem Boboy, alias Langdam, age 54 of Yaripo Kakmayay Laikai. Self-styled Lieutenant Thodam Tomba, alias Tengan Naba, age 63 of Saibam Laikai, Kalabung Lerak, Konsam Roman Kumar, alias Samitpa, age 44 of Iroshemba Mayay Laikai, Laisham Nanao, alias Lukhoy, age 35 of Itam Nungoy, Takhelambam Kishan, alias Nanao, age 30 of Chanam Santrok Maning Laikai, and Takhelambam Washington, alias Ibungo, age 22 of Chanam Santrok Maning Laikai. Security forces also recovered 1 DBBL gun, 2 mobile phones, and 2 SIM cards from their possessions. In another operation, security forces also arrested 2 cadres of Pripak Pro G5 from Yaripok Pechi in Thoubal district. The arrested persons are Langtham Poireton Meite alias Lanthoba, age 25 of Janam Santrok Awang Laikai, and Chirom Rostam Singh alias Chiromba, age 25 of Kongba Laikram Lairak. Now, All Manipur Students Union (MSU) strongly condemns the brutal racist attack and killing of Angel Chakma in Dehradun. In a press release issued by Assistant Publicity and Information Secretary, MSU Headquarters, Ngangom Nihen, the heinous act committed against the student from Tripura was not only a crime against an individual, but a grave assault on the dignity, identity and safety of students from Northeast India across the country. It added that late Angel Chakma was reportedly racially abused, mocked, and dehumanized with derogatory slurs such as Chinese and Chinky, targeted solely on the basis of his physical appearance and racial identity as a Northeastern student. Categorically stating that the recent killing was not an isolated case, citing similar incidents such as the tragic killing of Nido Tania and numerous unreported and underreported cases. It stated that the continued targeting of Northeastern people based on their appearance and ethnicity is a direct violation of Articles 14, 15 and 21 of the Constitution of India and an affront to the ideals of unity, equality and fraternity. The Students' Union also raised several demands, including immediate arrest and strict punishment of all those involved in the killing of Angel Chakma under the relevant provisions of law. It also expressed solidarity to the bereaved family and all Northeastern communities who continue to face racism and violence. A one-day discourse on a theme, Academic Discourse on Normalization in Manipur, was held at Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal today. The program was organized by Federation of Civil Society Organization, FOX, Manipur. Acting President of FOX, B.M. Masha, retired Professor of Department of Anthropology, Manipur University, Professor W. Nabakumar, retired History Professor of MU, Nauram Joy Kumar, retired Economics Professor C.H. Priyo Kumar, retired IAS Dr. R.K. Nimai, and Impact TV Editor-in-Chief Y. Rupachandra, along with representatives of various communities, attended the program as main guests. Speaking on the sideline of the program, B.M. Masha highlighted the significance of the discourse on ensuring return of peace and normalcy in the state.
Manipur normalcy ama karamna purakatagi haibase miyamda hena paktok sakthona nainaba aduga leiriba conflict asina IDP haraga koi tampatagi IDP na taba chingdasu leiriba IDP sing chingi tamgi leiriba IDP sing punna makoina thengnaiba awaba sing karamna kohansigi haiban singba adugumba akhang haisindagi koi tanaraga awaba se kohannanabagi oiba academic discourse ni hariba thoramasi Manipur da natana Tungan Indiagi mafam singdasu yawhannaba media singna sowa thodang ama lobirakani haibagi thajabadu loinana ko yuare ama lominagani hariba warep singado Manipur da karamna shanti porakadege haibon singba adugumba warep sing oigani haiba wapamse ahanbagi onusaya tension thamse.
Chairman of Celine Digital, Panjo Bamlanajit, has carried out a demonstration at New Delhi's India Gate in order to draw attention towards Manipur crisis and the uncertainty faced by internally displaced persons and people of Manipur in accessing national highways in the state. Panjo Bamlanajit held placards that read, "Long live India, long live Manipur," ensure resettlement of IDPs. They also demanded Centre to work out a solution for the crisis and to pave way for return of peace in Manipur. Now let us take a short break. We'll be right back.
Give your child a foundation for a bright and successful future. Admissions are now open at Heritage Convent, where quality education meets values, discipline, and excellence. We nurture young minds through experienced teachers, caring environment, and holistic learning. Admissions open from 22nd December 2025. Visit our school campus to Naramthong Kulem Lekai for offline admission. Enroll today for a better tomorrow.
Welcome back. You're watching Sktv'S Afternoon English News. Now moving on. Prize distribution ceremony for state-level science and mathematics competition, which was organized by New Hope Foundation under the aegis of Sashi Guidance, was held at Modern College in Imphal East District today. Former MLA Okram Henry, ADM to Imphal East, Dr. N. Johnson Mite, Assistant Inspector of School ZEO, Zone 2, H. Raghu, and President of New Hope Foundation, Jingakam Sashi Kumar, graced the function. Speaking in the program, Dr. N. Johnson Mite encouraged students to take active part in extracurricular activity in addition to academic studies. A total of 500 students took part in the competition.
Stage the class revision stage a very crucial stage. Not only like geologically change like Sadak Kaiba, Imai Paga Haida, Tana Imana Haida to Maduma, crucial stage. The good crucial stage now, Maggie says 70 years of Maggie lifespan will be Karama movement in the case cycle. Sigi Matamsina like Sanda Papa, Mina Namba. It's not about identifying the thing. Any field, we said, Mother Kamako, we just very good. She will not get the decoy. She will never quite see several spaces up never.
A street workout and Calisthenics Championship 2025 called Inora was held at Manipur State Film Development Society at Palace Compound today. A total of 150 individuals competed in endurance battle, Sadik Cup, street lifting championship and other events during the championship, which was held on a theme Peaceful Mind and Free Spirit. Speaking on the sideline, founder of Team Street Building, Polly Moyangtem, informed that winners in the event will get a chance to further compete in national and international level events. He also highlighted various aspects of the championship in promoting fitness, nutrition, guide, and in acquiring sponsorship.
Sigi event young over platform even though it is organized in state level wise because Shidagi Kankalaba athletics opportunity as a one bidone have the national level, international level competition in the Saugava. Then every participant could team side the career building opportunities Mama provide away. Masigi event team is based on organic farming, mental health, Sigumba, the health course or the coaching opportunities, sponsorship opportunities. So when I am our platform can not launch pet for the event.
Dr. Moirangthem Dhanabir, Managing Director of Shiv Clinic Gaur City Center, Greater Noida West, was awarded gold medal by AA and Alternative Medicine Institute, Jodhpur, in recognition of his outstanding contributions to the field of diabetes. Notably, Dr. Dhanabir had also been conferred several awards in the past, including Naturopathy Excellent Award 2025 by Ayush College Hospital and Research Center for his relentless effort and success in the treatment of diabetes. Now moving on to national news. Days after a student from Tripura was killed in racial attack in Uttarakhand, Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Pushkar Singh Dhami, spoke with victim's father over the phone and assured timely justice. Angel Chakma, a student from Tripura, was severely assaulted in Dehradun, the capital of Uttarakhand, and later died in hospital. Expressing grief over Angel's murder, Uttarakhand CM Pushkar Singh Dhami stated that 5 accused individuals have been arrested in this case. While another accused is suspected to have fled to Nepal, efforts are being made to arrest him by announcing a reward. Chief Minister said that Uttarakhand government will ensure strict punishment for the culprits. He further added that such an environment has never existed in Uttarakhand, where students from all over the country and abroad come to study. Therefore, this incident is distressing for everyone. The government will take strict action in such matters. He mentioned that following the incident, he has spoken with Tripura Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah, as well as Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. The Chief Minister said that the state government stands firmly with the grieving family. He will speak with the Tripura Chief Minister regarding assistance for the family, and the Uttarakhand government will also provide all possible support to the family. Meanwhile, protests have erupted in Tripura over the murder of student Angel Chakma in Uttarakhand. Tripura Chakma Students Association has requested intervention from central government. Now in sports news, All Manipur Bodybuilding Association (AMBA) selected 19 bodybuilders to represent Manipur in different bodybuilding championships in January and February next year. In a press release, AMBA selected the bodybuilders after conducting a trial selection yesterday. It added that 4 among the 19 bodybuilders will represent the state in the 12th Eastern India Men's and Women's Bodybuilding and Physics Sports Championship, which will be held from January 10 to 11 at Odisha, while 15 bodybuilders will participate at the 16th Men Junior Masters Divyang Ladies Bodybuilding and Physics Sports Championship 2026 to be held on February 7 and 8 at Telangana. Now before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Police arrest 2 involved in death of Chalba from Wangoi Kaidam Laikai, whose body was found on December 27. And Jiribam's Yankom Janish clinches gold at Mr. and Mrs. Northeast 2025 in Assam, emerges overall champion and brings laurels to Manipur. Well, that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.